YouTube channel. I hope you guys doing great today. And for today's video, I'm gonna share to you the amazing benefits of avocado oil. So I apply this one every time I take my shower to protect my hair, and whenever I go outside under the sun, I also apply avocado oil. If you want to know why, please keep watching. What is avocado oil? Avocado oil is extremely rich in oleic acid and monounsaturated fats. The fatty acids, vitamin E and D, and beta-carotene in avocado oil helps to moisturize and nourish the hair and skin. Knowing avocado oil can boost your skin and hair health is one thing. So what avocado oil benefits for hair? Avocado oil encourages hair growth. Avocado's natural contains biotin, a member of the vitamin B family that is believed to play a role in the help prevent breakage, growth of healthier, thicker, and longer hair. Does putting oil in your hair before showering help? Yes, I always do this, guys. 30 minutes before taking my shower, I apply avocado oil all over my hair. It allows the oil to soak into your hair shaft and seal the fragile inner layer, making it less likely to get waterlogged and therefore less likely to get damaged or break. So after that, guys, I just do the usual shower. I wash my hair with shampoo and put conditioner after. So when to put avocado oil? On wet hair or dry hair? Okay, so you can, guys, use in both ways. Okay, you can use before shower, so when your hair is dry. So if you want, also you can spray some water and apply avocado oil, or you can also apply after your shower with wet hair, and you can also apply after you blow dry your hair, okay, to put more shine to your hair and take out the tangles and flyaways, you know. And don't worry, guys, because this one is very lightweight, so you don't feel like your hair is oily. Just look at my hair. I put 2 drops of avocado oil, but it doesn't look like oily and it's very light, and that's why I love this one. Sometimes when I take my shower, guys, I'm telling you, when I apply avocado oil before taking my shower, and then I enjoy it, and then okay, I will sleep with avocado oil. I will just take my shower tomorrow. I always do that because I really love it, guys. You know, like, my hair is very nice when I apply before taking my shower. Yes. Avocado oil can apply directly to the skin. The absorbent oil is thought to have numerous benefits for your skin, like moisturizing dry hands or acting as a natural sunblock. You can apply avocado oil directly to your skin or mix it with your favorite beauty products. Does avocado oil protect from the sun? As I said a while ago, this one is a natural sunblock. It promotes the production of collagen and protects the skin against fine lines and wrinkles. It helps the skin to retain water to keep it firm and rejuvenated. Avocado oil ranks in as high as SPF. You can use avocado oil as a hair overnight treatment as well. If your hair is very dry, like, oh my god, it's crazy, like it stress you a lot, just let avocado oil work for your hair overnight, and on the next day, guys, you will have an amazing result, I promise you. And also you can use this one as a scrub, a body scrub. Just mix with the brown sugar and scrub your body, guys, and oh my god, your skin will become soft, become hydrated, become moisturized. Really. That's all for today, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope this video is helpful for you. And please don't forget to put like. Small thing for you, but big thing for me. And you can also share this video, and please don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell button so you will be notified on my next video. So yeah, so see you again on my next vlog. Bye.